Today, we will be simplifying fractions, which is basically getting it so that the answer has no more maths to do on it. We can't do any more maths. And which essentially is getting the answer into its simplest form. The top one is called the numerator, and the bottom one is called the denominator. By the way, one of the laws of maths says that what you do to the top has to be done to the bottom, and vice versa. It's the same with sides. Whatever you do to one side, you must also do to the other. This also applies to fractions, top and bottom type thing. Our first question is 9/15. Now, what is the number that both of these can be divided by? Well, essentially, which timetable do you find both these numbers in? Or, another way of putting it is, what is the common factor? In this case, it's 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3/5. You can't do any more maths to this, so we leave it at that. This one, which times table do we find both these numbers? It's the same as the previous one, 3. So it's 5/6. Our next question is 48/64. Now, what is the common factor of both of these? It is 8. So, it's 6/8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 is a square number. It's useful to know that one. Anyway, we've got 6/8. We aren't done yet, because we can do these both by another one, 2. So it's 3/4, or 3/4. That is simplified now. We cannot do any more maths. This one is 28x/35x. Because there is an x on the top and the bottom, we can delete the x's. Because what we do to the top, we must also do to the bottom. We have to delete the x on the top and the x on the bottom, or cancel them out. We are left with 28/35. Now, what is the number that both of these can be divided by? 7. So it's 4 divided by 5. 4/5. We can't do any more to this. It is simplified. It's done. There is no more maths that you can do on it. Our next question is 25x/30x. So we can cross out the x's, cancel them out. So we're left with 25/30. Now, in which times table can you find both of these? It's 5. 25 is a square number. It's useful to know your square numbers, by the way, because it can help you with the rest of the times table. So it's 5 over 6. We cannot do anything else to this. Our next one is 12x over 2. We cannot cancel out the x because there is not an x on the bottom, and what we do to the top we must also do to the bottom. But what we can do is we can divide it by 2. So it's 6 over 1, 6x over 1, which leaves us with 6x because we don't need to put the over 1 part. And, well, you can't simplify 6x. Our last question is 5x over 10. Now we cannot cancel out the x, but 5 and 10 are in the same times table, the 5 times table, so it's 1 over 2. Well, 1x over 2, so it's actually x over 2, because we don't write the 1 before an x. So I hope that has helped you understand about simplifying fraction.